everyone, it's Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm going to be putting together some fun holiday looks to hopefully give you all some ideas of what to wear for this holiday season, and as always in these outfit videos, I'm going to incorporate a different wig for each look. So let's go ahead and jump right into the first look. So for this look, you have a lot of flexibility here because the basic overall description of this look is oversized sweater with a nice pair of pants. So in this case, I'm wearing kind of a poncho-y look with this long sleeve black piece underneath, the turtleneck for the extra warmth for the winter months if you do live somewhere with a colder climate. And then for the pants, I chose to go with these kind of fake leather style pants just to kind of add a little bit more pizzazz rather than just wearing plain jeans or something. However, if you don't like to wear the fake leather kind of look, a pair of nice jeans would look really good with this combination as well. Now, if you don't have any sort of poncho like this, any sort of oversized, really cozy sweater would look super cute as well. And for the wig for this look, I chose to go with Angela from the Alexander Couture Collection in the color Champagne R. This is one of my absolute favorites, and it just looks so cute with the oversized sweater. With a wig like this, you can of course just wear it down and it'll look really nice for the holidays, but if you wanted to add just a little bit more of a holiday vibe to it, you could just take the hair and put it in a half ponytail, and then put some sort of hairpin or bow on top of that just to make it a little bit more festive. When you're putting your hair into a half ponytail like this, just make sure you're not accidentally exposing any of the wefts on the back. And this is the final look. So for this next look, I wanted to incorporate a little bit of glitter and shimmer, especially using this top here, but then I kind of decided to tone it down with some of the other pieces like this black blazer. Of course, these pants are definitely a statement piece as well, but I find that velvet, any sort of velvet on any part of your outfit is just very appropriate for the holiday season. It's really nice in like December and into New Year's. So in this case, I went with a purple velvet just because it matched the shirt, but any velvet would look fantastic for a holiday look. I also really liked pairing the shimmery top with the velvet pants because it was kind of like 2-in-1, incorporating two classic holiday styles into one look. For the wig, I decided to go with a short wig because I love the way that this blazer cut collar looks with this shorter length wig. So this wig is Shane from the René of Paris collection in the color medium brown. I also paired this look with some jewelry, so I have this really pretty bracelet here that I thought just added a really nice pop of silvery shimmer to the outfit, as well as these earrings, which I really love earrings like this with shorter wigs because they just peek out so nicely under the hair. So this wig is lace front and lace part, so you do have a lot of flexibility with pushing the hair back if you want to get it out of your face. You could even push it back and kind of pin it, something like that. But this wig has such gorgeous, sultry, long side bangs. I love wearing this wig like this. I know it's not always the most practical, but I just think it is such a nice kind of like sultry look to it, and I just think it looks so lovely. And for this final look, I decided to go for a classic New Year's Eve look with this super glamorous, glittery dress. I absolutely love this dress. To be honest, this was actually my Sweet 16 dress. How fun is that? Ever since then, I've had it in my wardrobe and I've always wanted to wear it to a New Year's Eve party, but I've never quite had the opportunity to go to more of a like fancy New Year's Eve party where I would have been able to wear this dress, but I'm going to be hanging on to it until that day comes. So for this third and final look, I wanted to go for a traditional New Year's Eve glam look with this super shimmery fun dress. I absolutely love the way these sequins kind of reflect the light. It really just looks like a disco ball. It's such a fun dress. The dress itself is strapless, so I decided to pair it with this velvet blazer, which again is incorporating the combination of glitter with velvet. I really think that is just always a winning holiday combination no matter what outfit you're putting together. And that way it just helps keep a little bit warmer since New Year's Eve is obviously in the colder months. So if you are wearing this kind of dress for a New Year's party, then you can just keep a little bit warmer with something like this. For the wig for this outfit, I decided to go with Alexandra from the Alexander Couture Collection in Crimson LR. I have it styled in this beautiful high ponytail, and then to add a little accent of color, I just added this little red bow in the back as well. See how I achieved this high ponytail holiday look? You can also check out one of our recent videos, which was all about different holiday hairstyles. So that's all of the looks I'm going to be showing in this video. Definitely comment below which of these 3 looks was your favorite, and if you got any inspiration from any of these outfits. Also, let me know which of the wigs was your favorite as well, because that's always, of course, the most fun part of the outfit. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and subscribe to our channel for more wig tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.